Every time I'm thinking about Etsy, I can only see Girl Scouts selling cookies and other handmade items. But did you know that you could also make thousands of dollars a day while dropshipping on Etsy? That is why in this video I am going to guide you through the Etsy dropshipping world. I will reveal the numerous benefits of Etsy and how to get started. That is why by the end of the video you're gonna have all the necessary knowledge to be a successful dropshipper on Etsy. You're probably wondering right now, why on earth should I sell on Etsy when there's so much potential in other places? Well, Etsy is a pretty original place. You can sell a certain types of products that would sell better on this marketplace rather than others. So here are the top reasons why you should start exploring Etsy. First of all, it is an open marketplace. Second of all, just like eBay, you're getting organic free traffic. Third of all, one of the best things about it is the fact that it has minimal competition. Nobody's bothering selling on Etsy just like they do on eBay or Shopify or AliExpress dropshipping or any of the other popular dropshipping websites. It also has a very low upfront cost. It is a very niched down website. You can only sell a certain type of product here. As opposed to the other big platforms that are pretty much general, you have a lot of branding opportunities here. And guess what? You can have much higher profit margins because the competition is not as big as on the other platforms, so you can set your own prices. And finally, you can integrate this with AutoDS so you can automate your whole Etsy dropshipping business. Alright, so what kind of items am I allowed to sell on Etsy? First of all, we have handmade items. Next up, vintage and retro items. After that, we have craft supplies. And finally, party favors. Alright, so let's get inside our Etsy shop manager and let me give you a tour. So first of all, we have the dashboard right here. It's basically an overview of your Etsy shop. You can see everything that's happening with your shop traffic-wise and sales-wise and whatnot here. Next up, we have the listings area where we can see all of our active and inactive listings. Next up, we have the messages center where we can talk with the Etsy team or we can get messages from our customers. Next up, we have orders and delivery. This is pretty self-explanatory. You can see information about orders and delivery. You can set order processing times, you can manage shipping times, and so on. After that, we have the star seller section. Now, if you're doing good, you're gonna get higher points on the star seller section. And by being a star seller, you're gonna be able to rank higher on your customer searches. Store stats and analytics. This will let us know what's happening to our store. It would basically give us the main analytics about our store and client demographics. In finances, right here, you're gonna find everything regarding money and monthly statements. Just like every other similar platform, for example eBay, you're gonna have a marketing area. This is where you can start running ads. Those ads will be shown to your potential customers. Alright guys, so now that we know the basics about this platform and how to use it, let's dive in and let's talk about how to actually start dropshipping on Etsy. First of all, we're gonna need an account, right? Just like every other platform, so let's create an account. All you have to do is go to the Etsy website and click on the register button. After that, all you have to do is put your name, email address, and click on get started. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the page, click on the open your Etsy shop, then click start your own shop. All we have to do is set our language to English and click save and continue. Alright, so now that we have our store, the first thing that we have to do is create an actual product listing. Just like any other product listing, we're gonna have to create a product page. Here we can import any relevant images and text related to that product page. Besides all of the product information, we must also upload shipping arrangements and the return policy. Etsy provides us with a ready-to-use template, so no worries about that. After all of this is done, Etsy will have to do a verification process just to make sure that you are who you say you are, so you'll have to provide some documents. Alright, so after you do all of this, you really want to automate your business. Let me explain to you why. You can do everything manually, but you're a businessman, you're a dropshipper, you want to make money. You don't want to waste time on importing products and images and text and so on, right? So you want to automate your business. If you're doing everything manually, it's going to take forever. It can take anywhere between 10 and 20 minutes just to take care of one single product description, images, and title. That is okay if you have a handful of products, but if you want to import like 10 products, 20 products every single day, AutoDS will be a great help for you. So to take our business to the next level, we have to connect our Etsy store to our AutoDS account. Click on Etsy here and click continue, and this process will automatically guide you step by step so you can connect your Etsy store to your AutoDS account. I want to tell you what are the most important things that this collaboration provides. First of all, you have very quick product importing. You can import one single product at a time, you can import multiple ones, or you can bulk import by a CSV file. You will have price and stock of the product automation, and you can also have automatic orders, which means that AutoDS will automate everything so you don't have to do a thing. Next up, let's find some best sellers that we can sell on our Etsy store. Alright guys, so when we're getting started on Etsy, it is crucial for us to sell the best products for this platform. You're not gonna be able to sell any other products that you can sell on other platforms. For example, I made a lot of money by dropshipping this product. For those of you wondering, it is a neck massager with electrical impulses. It's a pretty cool product and it's trending, it's on the wave, a lot of people wanna buy it, but this is something that would not work on Etsy. And the reason for that is because Etsy is more oriented towards handmade things. Alright, so now the question is, how can I find the best products to sell on my Etsy store? And that's a very good question. I'm glad you've asked it. Here are 3 of the best places that you can find those products. First of all, Etsy's top seller list. On Etsy's website, you can explore the top sellers section. This will basically tell you what products are trending on Etsy right now. You can get some notes from there and jump straight into the action. Next up, we have the AutoDS TikTok Spy. TikTok is a huge platform and AutoDS has the right tool to see what products are trending on TikTok right now. And on top of that, TikTok is a great place to advertise Etsy products. So this amazing tool, AutoDS TikTok Spy, will let us know what products are on the wave right now and are advertising on TikTok. Next up, we have the AutoDS Winning Product Hub, and that is exactly what it means. It's a winning product hub. It's a place where you're gonna find all of the juiciest products at the moment. Our team is working very hard 24/7 just to give you the best products on the market right now. Alright, so now let's say that you have a product idea. You kind of narrowed it down, you know what product you want to sell, and now you're gonna have another question. Where should I get that product from? And that's also a very good question because you don't want to get that product from a Chinese supplier that's just a random unknown, and you don't know if your product's gonna get to your customer in time or not. And also other logistic things such as, can they handle 1,000 orders? Can they handle 10,000 orders? Can they do refunds? Do they have a good customer communication? And that is why we're gonna talk about the next step, which is a crucial thing to do when doing any kind of dropshipping business: finding the right supplier. Now let me tell you what are the main things that you should look after when finding the right supplier. First of all, they should have international warehouses, because if you want to sell worldwide, you need fast shipping, and fast shipping can only be made if you have international warehouses. Number 2, of course, fast shipping and delivery times. Number 3, partner with reliable couriers. 4, multiple payment options. You're gonna be able to pay with credit card and PayPal as well. Affordable product pricing, a very wide product range. You also need to look after their reviews. They must be positive. They should have a very good customer service, and also you're gonna get encountered with returns, so they need to handle that as well. Do not worry, you're probably lost right now, so let me get you back. Check out this thing right here. This image right here shows all of the suppliers that AutoDS is working with. These are all vetted suppliers that can be integrated with our platform, so you can rest assured that you are on very good hands. Alright, so we found the product, we found the supplier. All you have to do now is import the product to our Etsy store. Importing a product has never been easier with a tool such as AutoDS. We have one-click importer, we have single product importer, multi-product importer, and also bulk product importer that will help you just upload a CSV document with 1,000 products if you want to, and upload them at once on your Etsy store. And that's very easy to do. Let me give you an example of the single product. Let's just say that we really like this product right here. So we go on AliExpress, we find the product page, we just copy the link, we go on AutoDS, click on the import product, select single product, paste this link, and the product will automatically be sent to your draft area. So what you can do here is to actually optimize your title and product description with the help of AI. AutoDS is offering us this option. It will give us the AI power to change our titles and description according to what instructions do we give it. You can make your title and description sound exactly the way you want it. You can make it funny, you can make it more precise and more creative. These are all instructions that you can give the AI module, and it will generate any title or description that you want for that product. And of course, as we all know, AI is not here to replace us, AI is here to help us. You don't need to take everything and anything the AI gives you. You can take that and change it the way you want it. Alright, so now we have imported our product to our store. Our store is basically ready to receive some traffic. But unfortunately, people are not just gonna come into our store just because we have a nice product. We're gonna have to get those people to visit our store. And we can do this two ways: internal ads and external ads. Internal ads are just as I mentioned in the marketing area in the beginning of the video. You can use Etsy ads, and for external you can use very well-known methods such as Facebook ads, influencer marketing. You can post on social media and you can go viral for free. For example, TikTok is a very good place to go viral for free. And also you can run paid ads on TikTok. Alright, so now that we have some traffic rolling in, we're gonna get some sales and we're gonna have to fulfill those sales. And as you probably already know, there are two ways to do this. First of all, there's the manual one and the automatic one. The manual one is the absolute hardest. You're gonna have to double check everything: the name of the client, the address of the client, the postal code of the client. You're gonna have to check if they sent you any messages mentioning anything about their order. You're gonna have to check if they paid. You're gonna have to check with your supplier to see if they still have the product. You're gonna have to provide them with an accurate shipping time. And then we have the automatic one, which is provided by AutoDS. It is called Fulfilled by AutoDS, and you just have to sit back, relax, and let AutoDS take care of all the fulfillment process for you. And oh, by the way, if you're getting orders for products that have outdated prices, or you don't know if the supplier has them and at what price do they have that product, you will have an area in AutoDS called My Quotes, where you can ask for a price quotation for any product out there and you're gonna get a response back in less than 48 hours. And the very final step of this whole process is to provide an excellent customer service. And the reason why I'm saying this is because not everybody ends their journey with you when they buy something. Sometimes people want to return the product. Sometimes people want to buy another product. Sometimes people just want to talk with you. So you gotta be there, you gotta respond to their messages, phones, emails, and make sure to provide a good customer care in general. This is what will help you grow in the ranks of the sellers, and your products will be displayed to more and more potential customers on Etsy. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below telling us what is the first product that you are going to sell on your very first Etsy store. I promise you I'm going to read all of the comments and I'm going to personally answer each and every one of them. Thank you for watching again. Have an amazing day and see you next time.